Alright, you bunch of vlogging, sports-loving, camera-hungry maniacs, it's time to stop f***ing around and get yourself the DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo, and yes, it's as f***ing badass as it sounds. This isn't your grandma's point-and-shoot, this is a 4K/60 frames per second pocket powerhouse designed for the kind of footage that'll make your ass look like a pro. Even if you're just filming yourself trying to walk a dog, and if you're ready to stop looking like an amateur and actually level the f*** up, I've left a link to the best deals down in my description below. Don't be a dumbass. Click it and get yourself set up right. First things first, 4K/60 frames per second video, motherfucker. The Osmo Nano comes with a 1/1.3 inch sensor that catches more light, so your shots are gonna look sharp as hell, even if you're shooting at night or while you're doing some fast-paced shit. This camera doesn't care if you're running, jumping, or flipping your goddamn kayak over. It'll still capture everything in crisp, vivid detail. Whether you're vlogging or filming some crazy-ass sports footage, the Osmo Nano is going to give you that cinematic look without making you look like a jackass trying to use a shitty phone camera. Let's talk about that 143-degree ultra-wide view. You're not just capturing a boring-ass close-up shot of your ugly mug, you're getting an ultra-wide perspective that'll make people feel like they're right there with you. This camera is perfect for filming your next pet POV adventure, your sports highlights, or just capturing your epic-ass self doing cool shit. You know you've always wanted to look like you've got your life together, and the Osmo Nano will make sure you do just that, while you're out there getting after it. And let's talk about portability. This thing is lightweight and magnetic. Want to strap it to your bike, stick it to your dog, or throw it in your pocket and forget it's even there? You can do that. This is the hands-free POV cam that'll capture your world without any of the bullshit. The Osmo Nano is a breeze to carry around, so you can focus on making memories instead of struggling with a heavy camera bag. Now, I know you want your footage to pop, so the Osmo Nano delivers vivid cinematic colors. With 10-bit and D-Log M color performance, you're gonna get those rich, lifelike colors that'll make your content look so f***ing good, people will think you hired a damn film crew. Whether you're filming a sports montage, your dog jumping into a pool, or just yourself looking like a badass, your footage is gonna look professional as hell. Battery life, 200 minutes, motherfucker. That's 200 minutes of straight recording time, which means you won't have to stop filming every time your camera runs out of juice. Plus, it charges up quick as hell, so you'll never be stuck with a dead battery when you're about to shoot your next epic scene. Get in, get out, and make your footage look like a goddamn masterpiece without having to mess around with charging cables every 10 minutes. Want to share your sick footage instantly? You're in luck, asshole. The Osmo Nano offers instant sharing and effortless control. You can transfer your standout 4K vlogs and content with just a few taps. No bullshit, no hassle. Plus, it supports direct connection to 2 microphones, giving you crystal clear audio so your voice sounds as good as your footage looks. The Osmo Nano makes sure that not only does your video look pro, but it sounds pro too. For $499.99, you're getting a pocket-sized 4K camera with the kind of features that'll make your content explode without making you look like a damn amateur. Whether you're out on the streets vlogging, getting wild on the sports field, or just filming some ridiculous pet POV adventures, the DJI Osmo Nano has your back. If you don't want to be a complete idiot with your content, get the DJI Osmo Nano. I've linked it down in the description. Click it, grab that shit, and thank me later. Don't be a fucking idiot. Stop wasting time with that bullshit camera you've been using. Grab the DJI Osmo Nano, click the link, get that shit, and thank me later. When your footage is so good, it makes people wonder how the hell you pulled it off. Like, comment, subscribe, or don't. Honestly, I don't give a f***.